Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to test your car battery with multimeter. You have to connect black one to COM and red one to 4 milliampere ohm. Then you need to find DC port, which is this sign over there. This is for AC volt, which is good for houses. We're gonna put it to 20 volt, which is next to 12 volt or 15 volt, yes. And then I'm gonna put the light on. Red one to the red and black one to the black. Right now I have around 12.5. It must be around 12.6. My battery is around 6 years old, which is fine. So now I'm gonna start, and it must hold above 10 volt. I'm gonna replace COM with another connector. It's still showing 4.5 volt. Now I'm gonna start, and it must hold around 10 volt, above 10 volt. Now it's charging perfectly around 14.7. It's above 14.7. It's overcharging. Below 13.8 it's not charging properly. It must be then alternator, which is that. I'm gonna shut it down, and it must hold around 4.6 or 5. 4.7. So if you put on headlights and radio or heater, it must hold above 13 volt. So that was, thanks for watching.